Good day, fellow teachers. The long-awaited Edmodo video. I'm currently making it now and available to you guys to use. So I am already on Edmodo, but I will try and create a new profile just from the beginning using fake names. I have two apps. I have Google Chrome and I have Microsoft Edge, whichever one you can use, but I would prefer you use Google Chrome because in most cases most of us do not update our Microsoft Edge, so rather use Google Chrome because it works better with the app. So once you are on Google, you search for Edmodo, and then you click enter on the keyboard. Then you go to the Edmodo website. Okay. Now in my case, you will see that it will immediately log me in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log out. Of this profile. Let me view profile. I'm going to log out of this profile. There we go. Just give it a moment. Okay, so your first time on Edmodo, it should look something like this. You are here to sign up, not to log in. You are here to sign up because it's your first time on this website. You click the sign up button. And then you say, oh, I am a teacher. Once you click I am a teacher, you enter your email address, and I am going to use one of my email addresses that I haven't used yet. It's yahoo.com. And then password, you are creating a new password, so something you will not forget. There is my password, something that I will not forget. And then I'm going to hit the unfortunately I can't hit the create button because this email address has been taken. So let me try another email address. Gmail.com. Okay, that one has not yet been taken, so we are going to hit create your account. And because I don't want to be coming here and logging in over and over, I'm just going to hit the save button to save me some time. Here I'm going to put my name. I'm going to say Mr. and I'm going to say Mr. M. I hit the next button. Then I am going to set up a class. First thing I'll do is I'm going to set up a class. Okay, there I go, set up a class, and I'm going to give it a name, and the name I'm going to give is computer literacy grade 7. And then I will select here computer technology, and then computer technology, and as for the grade, I'll take 7th grade. Please remember that this is an example. If you can't find your subject here, just click on all and then on all. That way there is something there. Okay, so don't just give yourself an unnecessary headache. Okay, let me choose my computer technology. I click the next button, can choose a color for my class, and then I can create class, and then I'm going to create class. Okay, you hit the create button. And there I go. Voila! Congratulations. You are officially on Edmodo as a teacher. You are officially on Edmodo as a teacher. You can now start to explore functions such as add students, explore class. Explore class. I don't like adding students from here because it requires you to have their email addresses. I will show you another way. I will show you another way. And please do not forget up here to verify your email address. You will receive something in your inbox. You will receive something in your inbox. Do not forget to verify your email address. So if I go here on my Gmail, if I go on my Gmail, I should be able to see that I received an email that allows me to confirm the account. Now, because I already have another account, I am not going to confirm this one. I'm not going to confirm this one. There we go. There it is. Edmodo. Mr. Please confirm your Edmodo account. So you just click in there, open it up, and follow the instructions. Very much easy. Very much easy. Now, all I did was I clicked that menu and voila, I am already in my class. If you are not in your class, you hit classes over here on top and then it should show you your class. It should show you your class. And there is the class that we just created, Computer Literacy Grade 7. If you want to create another class, you click this plus button right here, the blue plus button, you click there, you say create class, and then you follow the same steps that we followed earlier on. Moving on, let's go back in the grade 7 literacy class, computer literacy class. This is the class code that you can use to invite the students to your classroom. Remember, there are other grade 7 teachers, grade 6, grade 5, grade 4, grade 1, up to grade 4 teachers that teach the same learner. So if the learner is already on Edmodo, it's much quicker for them to join your classroom. Just provide them the code in the WhatsApp groups, in the combined WhatsApp group, and you have to say, oh, hello parents, Mr. Masia here, Mr. M here. This is the code to my science class. This is the code to my computer literacy for grade 7. And the moment they enter this code, they are able to join the class. They are able to join the class. What are the cool things on Edmodo? Well, while we are in our classroom, we can post, start a discussion here. You can start a discussion, and actually when you start a discussion you can also create a poll, and maybe you want to find out how many have laptops and how many have smartphones. Okay, and then all you do is create poll, and the moment you create the poll over here, it's going to post something. It's going to post something for us. It's going to post something for us, and then we are able to follow through. Okay, but I'm not going to do that right now. You can also discuss things with your class. You can start discussions, debates, especially for languages, mathematics, science, social studies, Then you can add a student over here as well. You can do it this way as well. If a parent is struggling to log into Edmodo, you can ask them to send you the email address as well as the first name and second name of the child. You can enter it in here, and then at the bottom here you will click add student. At the bottom here you will click add student. That's another way to do it. Okay, let's go back to the class. And another way is you can also use this button here to invite people, and this one already shows you the code. You can just copy the code. You can also share a PDF If I click on view PDF, you will see it will open a PDF, and this shows instructions on how the parent or the learner, can join your classroom. These are specific instructions for your classroom only. They do not lead to any other person's classroom but yours. Okay, so you can hover on top over here and hit the download button. And then you can share it to your parents. You can send it to your phone, email it to other people, or you can share a link with students. You just copy like that. And you will see that when you go on a platform like WhatsApp platform. If you go on a WhatsApp platform, um, let's say it's already on this computer, you just click this link and it's copied to your clipboard, and you load it up, and then you are able to just go and paste it like this. This is what it would look like when you paste it. Let's just give it a moment. This is what it would look like when you paste it. So the moment they click this link, it takes them straight to your class. Which is this class here they join. Okay, what else do I have on here to show you? You can send a welcome post that I already touched on. You can create and send an assignment. You can create and send a quiz. Let's explore sending an assignment, creating and sending an assignment. We just click that button over there. It's going to load up and give us a menu on how we can create and load an assignment. So there I'm going to have an assignment title. I'm going to have instructions. If I already have the assignment, if I already have the assignment on my computer, I typed it in Microsoft Word, all I have to do now is click this button here. And the moment I do that, it allows me to go on the computer, to go in the memory stick where the lesson is, the test is, the exam is, whatever it is I want to share, where the things are. I click open and it attaches. That's how I send my assignment. If my assignment is on a website somewhere, I can add the link. If it's on Google Drive, I can add the link. Okay, and if it's from the library, I will show you where the library is on here. You can also get it from the library. And once you are done, you will click assign and it will be assigned to the learners. Okay, let's close this one. We are not creating anything right now. Let's close that one. We are not creating anything right now. What we are going to do now is we'll click back on classes. Let's go up here, back here, classes. Okay, and then let's click create and send a quiz. So I've clicked there, it's loading up. This one is fun to do because this is what will be most fun to do for the kids, for you as the teacher. You don't have to manually mark this work. There are many options available on assessment, many options. So here you just give a title. You give a title for your quiz. Let's say community health, and instructions you say complete without looking in your books. This activity will be timed. Okay, and then when you are done here, you click here quiz questions. You can select multiple choice, true or false, short answer, fill in the blanks, matching, multiple answer. This one is very new, the multiple answer, which is all of these. You can have all of these in there. You can have all of those. If you don't want to do all these things, you can always attach a file from somewhere or a link from a library that you already did on Microsoft Word. You just attach it here. Okay, but the nice thing about this, for example, I can say PHC stands for, and over here I say primary school health. I can say primary healthcare, and the last one I can say healthcare, and then I select which one is the correct answer. I select which one is the correct answer here, and then when I am done, I can add this to the grading book. I can add this to the grading book, or I can remove it from the grading book. I can remove it from the grading book. Okay. So when I am done here, when I am done with this, I can preview my work. Can preview it. And then I can assign the work to the learners. Come on, man. Okay, so this is the preview. If you click there, and that will be there, you can select there, you can select there, one of the three answers, and as you can see here, there's a mistake. This last one is not visible. So I can go back and fix it before I can assign. I can go back and fix it before I can assign. Okay, so it's going to throw me back here, and I click back here, and then I can see that, oh, there's really nothing on the last one. There's really nothing on the last one. Okay, now that I have three of them, I can assign, but we are also not going to do that. You can also do short answer. You can also do short answer where you ask the question and then there'll be a short answer and then you go on to a new. So these ones you will have to mark manually. Okay, let me close this. Let's say that you are a lot of teachers and you are teaching the same class. You can go on your profile and you can invite teachers. You can go on your profile and you can invite teachers, and then you invite the teachers to join. You can invite the teachers to join. This is an invitation link that sends them straight, and they'll also be part of your school. So you have the home button. This is where you see what everybody else is streaming online. As a teacher, what other educators are streaming online. Then you will have your classes. Here you can check your class. You can see what's due and how are the kids progressing. Then you can also go on discovery. Here there's a ton of resources that you can go on to, and you can try and incorporate some of these apps or games. You can do some of these apps or games. This is a game for math that you can incorporate into your Edmodo. And then you have your library. All those lessons that you've been typing, all those quizzes that you've been doing, they are in here. They are accessible. You can load some of them from your Google Drive, from your OneDrive, or you can also upload some of them. I think I forgot to show you here in classes that when you are inside a class, you actually have access to resources as well, um, where you can now upload tons and tons of stuff. Okay, seems my computer's internet is slowing down. Computer's internet is slowing down. Let's just give it a minute. I think we will load now shortly. Let me close this guy on this side. Okay. Come on, let's go. Oh, there we go. I forgot to show you here on the left side of your class you have a folder. You have a folder, and on this folder you are able to actually load stuff. You can add another folder here. You can add another folder, and on this folder you are able to load some stuff. You can load some stuff. So if I go here in my quizzes, it should load the quiz, then I can now manage what is in here. Then I can add something new in my folder. I can upload a file, I can upload from a link, I can a quiz, or I can just click this button, or this button, or this button, and it's going to open a new Word document, Excel, or PowerPoint document on this platform, and I will create it and I will save it, and it will be available as a quiz. Or I can upload from my computer, because I've been working so hard in my previous years. I can choose the files from my computer, and I can load up something from there onto Edmodo, and my kids will have access to it. Yeah, I think it's about quite a lot of information. Most importantly, let's sum up. Right now, what is very important is you are able to navigate this menu on top. Mostly you go to classes, you click on computer literacy, which is your class, and you wait for your class to open. Here you can create a new class. Okay, so this is what you click on, and this should take you into the class. And once you are in the class, then you are able to grab the code quickly from the class, share it on your WhatsApp group, and then your learners can join you. Yeah, I think that's mostly about it. Very quick, short lesson on Edmodo. Hopefully you find this useful, colleagues. Hopefully you find this useful. So here is the code. You just click on there and you are able to share this. You can share the class code right here. You click, copy it, you go and paste it. You share a PDF, or you invite them by email. Then yeah, that's it. Enjoy, colleagues. Enjoy.